So now we are again moving straight. Keep looking around the situations which are changing around you. There is a bike coming out of this car, is taking a turn without an indicator, and a person is directly going into the wrong side. So very nice. We have to overtake this rickshaw as well. Not overtake, I would say, but the roads are these are under construction, so always changing as well. Now I will just put the car in the 4th gear. See how I am pressing the clutch and releasing the clutch very quickly. So you will have to do this practice of the clutch. The more you do the practice, the more you are going to become a pro. There are some tips. So usually if you park your car stationary and just try to press the clutch and try to release the clutch by slowly counting like 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 like that, backward counting. If you do 4-5 times at least, you will feel of like what is happening around the clutch. So we are still in the 4th gear. I can see like a person next to me is pressing the brake, so definitely there is a slowdown. Still I can manage. Speed is around 44-45. We are in the 4th gear. RPMs are started dropping now, but I got the speed. I mean, there is nobody ahead of me, so I am just moving ahead. Now you see like there is this vehicle which is carrying some hardware materials. Always be careful of these vehicles. So most of the time the equipments what they have are not safely packed. See this boy, what he's doing. So just try to avoid this type of vehicles as much as possible. Stay away from them. We are going forward. Left right judgment is very crucial in these scenarios. So there is a car behind me. I'll just let him go. Fourth gear, slowly moving ahead, and I'm pressing the brake. If you have observed my brake pedal feet, so it is in line with the brake pedal, the right feet. When I have to press the accelerator, I am just inclining my right feet towards the accelerator. I am not having like this and this and this. I am not lifting my leg. All I am doing is having the feet in line with the brake pedal and then moving it as necessarily. This will help in a long run. In case you get panic, you will end up pressing the brake instead of accelerator, because your leg and heel is right in front of brake. That inclination helps, so your body response will most likely try to put your feet on the brake pedal. Okay, so this was a speed breaker, but we can still manage. I did not do the downshifting in this case. We are still in the 4th gear. There is a lot of construction going on around this area, so bear with me for the road quality and all. Don't try to judge. So again the speed breaker coming. Now my speed is 50. I cannot manage 50 on that speed breaker. Slowing down, I should be at least around 30-25. Yes, we are in the 25. Downshifted to the 2nd gear. Clutch pedal is released, slowly giving the gas pedal, accelerator pedal. Car is shifted to the 3rd gear, releasing the clutch and moving ahead with the accelerator pedal. Now slowly we are going up. I can put the 4th gear, clutch, releasing the clutch, going ahead. Now there is a truck which is coming. Definitely we cannot continue with the 4-speed. Brake, clutch, downshift to the 3rd gear. Still we cannot manage. Downshift to the 2nd gear. Let us try to pass this truck as well, because it is very unsafe. Now 3rd gear, very good. Can go upshift to the 4th gear. The timing of clutch release, try to learn that as well. Try to focus on that. Not pressing anything. Car has enough speed. 48, 49. So usually I am changing the gears. Upshifting is when the RPM meter is around like 1500 to 1800. Again, it depends on the car. Some cars, like, you can change the upshift the gear when you are around like 1200 to 1300 rpm. For this car, I have analyzed my sweet point is around like 1800, so I use that one. Now we will continue. Fourth gear, I can actually go for the fifth gear, but I will not, because I know there is a speed breaker coming. By just looking at the next bikes and the cars, you see like they are pressing their brakes, you can guess the scenario. So there is a speed breaker. We will put the brake, let the speed drop up to like less than 30. Clutch is pressed, released the clutch, going ahead, 25, 30. Keep watching the road. There is a divider, so we have to diversion, not the divider, sorry. So we will continue going straight now. We are now in the fourth gear. Speed is around 47. Pedestrians are crossing the road. Please, please, please always give priority to them. There is a roundabout. We have to continue going straight. Go straight. There is a speed breaker which is really not visible and not marked. Brake. Let the speed drop less than 30. It didn't drop, but on this speed breaker I can manage, so I didn't change the gear in this case. So what is the situation when I have to press the clutch first and then the brake? Is when you really don't want to, like this one, right? So what is the situation when you have to press the clutch first and then the brake? So it is more like if you are approaching a speed breaker or a sudden traffic stop very quickly, and you are already in the higher gear and you have to downshift very quickly. So in that case, people usually put the clutch first and then they go for the brake. For me, I am always like pressing the brake first. In this case also, clutch, downshift, second gear, move ahead, go. We will continue going. And I think road is blocked. Brake. Let us see what is happening. Now we can continue. So this is this funny situation is really going to test our left side judgment skills. I'm just following the next car, which is way bigger than me. I see the left side. Now we are going straight. We are in the second gear, slowly giving the gas, brake, because the next car is also slowing down. Little bit brake, no accelerator. You see my feet is not on the clutch pedal. There is a car coming from the other way around. Still brake, no clutch, no point of shifting gear, downshifting gear. Still brake, just managing on the brake. You can still move ahead because this is a downhill, steep road. Again moving forward. Now on this speed breaker, even though I do not have to downshift, I will still manage with the brake. And now, yes, it's a good road. We can go ahead. We have to exit this roundabout. Let us continue. I hope you really enjoyed the ride. Comment if you like the video, or if there are any improvements you want me to make. Comment if there are any panic situations which you want me to cover. And like I said before, please drive safely. Like, subscribe and share if you love this channel. Thank you.